Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer macOS files to another user account securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the macOS account that contains the files you want to transfer. Open a Finder window by clicking the Finder icon in the dock. Locate the files or folders you wish to transfer. Select the files you want to transfer by clicking on them. If you want to select multiple files, hold down the Command key while clicking each file. Once your files are selected, right-click on one of the highlighted files. From the context menu, choose Copy or press Command+C on your keyboard. Next, log out of the current user account. To log out, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, and select Log Out, your username. Now, log into the user account where you want to transfer the files. Open a Finder window in this new user account. Navigate to the location where you want to place the transferred files. Right-click in that location and select Paste or press Command+V on your keyboard. Your files will now appear in this user account. For added security, consider using an external drive. Log into the original user account and copy the files as previously described. Insert the external drive into your Mac. Locate the external drive in Finder and open it. Paste your files onto the external drive. Eject the external drive after the files are copied. Log into the new user account. Reinsert the external drive into your Mac. Open the external drive in Finder. Select the files you copied and drag them to the desired location in the new user account. Finally, make sure to safely eject the external drive before removing it. You have now transferred your files securely between user accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step